Good day, everyone.
It's me and mini me.
I'm finally home again. This is our first mother-daughter live.
Yeah, she's home. I got 3 weeks. Oh, God. Got 3 weeks before she runs off again. Hi, Kira. Yes.
I wanted to jump on here and just because today I was feeling more gratitude for my life, and I ran into an old friend of mine at the nail salon, and she was asking me everything I've been doing and how I got into it, and retelling the story kind of just made me feel grateful again for my mom, because she's the one who got me into this, into the whole life coach, the non-surgical, and now I'm teaching a pelvic course. I never would have imagined that for myself, but a year ago today I was definitely not in the spot I am right now, with the confidence, the self-love, all of it. So for anyone who's young or old or any
Anyone
age,
who's breathing.
anyone who's breathing, thank you. Anyone who's breathing, who wants different for their life, like the whole life coach and the Wolf Non-Surgical courses gave me a whole new perspective on life and just allowed me to really become myself and live my passion and purpose, and I'm just eternally grateful for that. So
It's not even been 11 months.
no, it hasn't.
We're barely at 11 months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
It's amazing.
Yes.
Yes.
It's been an amazing journey.
Yes. You know, I was out with a friend today as well, and on the drive back, she started talking about Simran, and she's like, I cannot believe. And she's like, I can't believe like the transformation in her. I can't believe that she's so young, and she knows exactly where she's at, because after we're done this, we're going to do the shock point therapy, right, to release some trauma. And so, you know, as we're talking about that, my friend who's my age was like, wow, like it's taken us 5 decades to get here, right? And to see someone who's only like half that age to be getting there, it's exciting for us. We're so happy to see, and this is why, you know, like I said, anyone can benefit. We've seen people in their late 70s, right?
Yeah.
80s come to the course and still get the healing and get the benefits. But how exciting to be able to grab that opportunity when you're young, when you still have so much living ahead of you, right? Why not heal and find your passion and purpose while you're young? Why not just stop the pain train? Here, that's it. No more pain train.
Yeah, the friend that I ran into, she told me she just started seeing a naturopath, and that she feels like she can only have air. Like she can't eat dairy, gluten, wheat, anything. Like she feels like she can barely live the way she was before. And I was like, no, you can still live. Just eat more whole food, plant-based, and get your body back on track, and then you can enjoy those other things here and there. And with the right nutraceuticals to help support the digestion of it, you can still live a happy, full life.
Did you tell her she doesn't need to diet? She needs to live it?
Yeah.
Right? It's so important. And honestly, like, as long as every time someone says, oh, I'm going on a diet, it's like this doom and gloom of, oh my God, like it's going to be so hard. Honest to God, like, I mean, we've changed, and I'm not going to profess that, oh my God, I'm 100% on the perfect day. No, there's cheat days and there's cheat times. But most of the time I am following the perfect day, and I don't feel deprived, right? We eat a whole lot more nuts and sunflower seeds and, oh my God, fruit, vegetables, the juicing. I mean, oh my God, I love ripe juicery. The organic juices are amazing. Smoothies. Like, if anything, I'm so grateful because I'm not stuck in the kitchen all the time cooking, right?
It's like 5 minutes to make a smoothie and you're out.
And you're done. Yeah, and cleanup is a lot easier too.
Yeah.
So you know, like, you literally are living it, because there's more time to live. There's more time to just have fun, because now you haven't had a big meal and you're not like, oh, I need to just, you know, work this off. You can just be active and have fun.
Yeah. So if anyone is in the Barrie area, and in February 1st, we will be doing a 4-day healing circle. The two of us will be hosting that. So if you want to come, start living a better life and just seeing the small things you can be doing 1% every day, we encourage you to sign up.
Yes, absolutely. You know what? It's all about the journey. It's all about taking the time to reconnect with yourself, to start honoring yourself, right? Like, I know how difficult it was for me, and I won't lie. Like, I mean, you guys haven't seen me on for a few days because I realized over the last probably week or so that it was heavy, it was hard. But you know why? Because I realized another layer of the onion was getting peeled off. You know, all these old thoughts and old feelings were starting to rise up again. And I'm like, why? Like, I don't want this. But it's almost like, you know, someone going by with a tray going, oh, you remember this? Did you like that? Do you want it again? And if we start to get hooked on it and go, oh, like that memory, if it just sort of puts its hook in us and we start to relive that trauma, we're done. We're done. We need to sort of observe it and go, been there, done that, no thank you, and go on, right? And so over the last few days, you know, apart from just processing the finality of purging mom and dad's stuff, which was a big task in itself, but even just sort of looking at that tray of stuff and go, no, been there, done that, I don't want it anymore. I'm moving forward, right? I'm moving ahead. I'm moving into what I deserve because I'm going to honor, love, respect, and trust myself and love myself unconditionally into the future that's waiting for me.
And I'm glad to have you back.
Yes, she can tell. She's like, Mom, what's going on? What's going on? Yeah.
Yeah. You can go to bhnuniversity.com to check out dates and locations of courses that are going to be coming up. The pelvic course I was saying that I teach, we're going to be in Bonita Springs, Florida on October 28th, 29th, and the 30th. Then the next one will be in Puerto Rico in end of January, I believe, but you can check the dates at the website. And yeah, that's all we got today.
That's it. That's it.
Bringing back to the gratitude, just start your day and end your day with something that you were grateful for.
Yeah. Gratitude and love are the two highest frequencies. So as long as you stay there, nothing can touch you.
Yeah.
And if it even tries, you'll just be like, no thank you. And off you go. So have a beautiful day, brave hearts. Lots of love.
Bye.
From me and Mini-Me.